The Cornfield Bomber is the nickname given to a Convair F-106 Delta Dart operated by the 71st Fighter-Interceptor Squadron of the United States Air Force. In 1970, during a training exercise, it made an unpiloted landing in a farmer's field in Montana, suffering only minor damage after the pilot had ejected from the aircraft. The aircraft, recovered and repaired, was returned to service and is currently on display at the National Museum of the United States Air Force. The individual aircraft was manufactured by Convair in 1958 and received the tail number 58-0787. It served with 71st Fighter-Interceptor Squadron based at Malmstrom Air Force Base adjacent to Great Falls, Montana. During a routine training flight conducting aerial combat maneuvers on February 2, 1970, the aircraft entered a flat spin. The pilot, Captain Gary Faust, attempted to recover, deploying the aircraft's drag chute as a last resort. Recovery proved to be impossible. Faust fired his ejection seat and escaped the stricken aircraft at an altitude of 15,000 feet. The reduction in weight and change in center of gravity caused by the removal of the pilot, coupled with the blast force of his seat rocketing out of the plane pushing the nose of the aircraft down, which had been trimmed by Faust for takeoff and idle throttle, caused the aircraft to recover from the spin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.